boneless pork ribs. It's what we're cooking today on the Green Mountain Grill. So we're going to start out with approximately 5 pounds of boneless pork ribs here. And we're going to season today with VH strong garlic rib sauce. This is made by Conagra Foods and it's absolutely delicious. So basically what we're going to do here is just marinate these in the sauce for about 2 hours. Then we're going to get them on the grill and we're cooking at about 250 to 275, probably 2 to 2.5 hours. So let's get this marinade going here. So I'm going to use the bag that we froze these in and thawed them in. And we're basically just going to pour this sauce in. I want to be careful not to spill it. You can use a Ziploc bag, but since they were already in a bag, I just want to use this. And we just want to move them around in the sauce, spread them apart. Make sure that sauce is all the way throughout there. So we're basically going to let these set like this for about 2.5 hours. Then we're going to get them on the grill. And we want these, close to room temperature. Okay, so these have been marinating for about 2.5, actually closer to 3 hours. First thing we're going to do, we're going to cook them on a rack so they're easier to get on and off the grill. We're going to spray a little cooking spray, non-stick. Then we're going to get them out of the marinade and just put them right on the rack here. Look at how nice that marinade has soaked into the meat. There's chunks of garlic in there. Spread them out because we want to be able to get the smoke all the way around these. Permeate this real nice so we get a good smoke ring at the end. And we're going to save this because in about 2 hours we're going to get these up to temp. In about 2 hours we're going to pour this in a pan, put these in and cover them. So let's get these on the smoker and let them cook for a little bit. Again, we have this set to 250. And I did put a temperature probe in there just so that we could keep track of the temperature. We're going to end up cooking these to about 200 degrees. All right. There we go. Okay, so these have been on about an hour. I'm going to go ahead and flip them real quick. Oh man, look at those. Look how nice and juicy those look. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That fat is starting to render down real nice. Man, those look good. Alright, let's get this grill closed back up. We'll have them on for a little while longer. Okay, now take a look at these. They've been on for 2 hours. And we're going to go ahead, like I said, we're going to put these in a pan with the extra marinade. So I've already put the marinade in the pan. We're just going to move these over here. The temperature of the meat is about 175. Look at that. Look at how that just falls apart already. I might just taste that now. The temperature of the meat is 175 degrees. We're going to cover this till it's about 200 degrees. So for about another half hour, then we're going to take these off and we're going to make sandwiches. Okay, as I mentioned, we're going to make sandwiches out of these. So I have some hot dog buns because, well, they're a little more the shape of these ribs. So we're going to just open these up. Take a little bit of butter, just smear a little butter on each part of the sandwich. You don't have to cover it how you want. Put as much butter as you want. I just like a nice little coat of butter here. So that's pretty good right there. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take some garlic powder and we're going to sprinkle. So now I like a lot of garlic, so it's quite a bit of powder on there. So what we're going to do is when these ribs, when we take them off, we're going to let them set for about 10 minutes. We're going to start toasting these. I'm just going to use these in the toaster oven. Browns them up real nice. Melts that butter. And we're going to toast those up. Put the ribs on these buns and enjoy. So we'll be back as soon as those ribs are done. Okay, so we got the ribs off the grill. They've been setting for just a couple minutes. The garlic buns are currently in the toaster oven, browning. We're gonna get these onto the rack and let them set for a couple minutes. Wow. Take a look at those. Okay, so these have been resting about 10 minutes. This is a little too big for the bun, so I'm gonna take one of these, cut it in half. I'm gonna put this on the bun. Look at that smoke ring right there. So let's get this on the bun. And while I was slaving over the grill, my wife whipped up some garlic, Parmesan asparagus. So this stuff is about to be amazing also. So we're just gonna make a little sandwich. I don't wanna put any sauce or anything on that because that marinade is awesome. We're gonna take some of the sauce and use it kind of like an au jus, and we're gonna dip in here. Let's try this out. I think this is gonna be amazing. Okay, so let's cut this in half. See how this is gonna look right here. Wow, look at that nice smoke ring right there. And then we got this garlic asparagus on the side. Let's take a taste of this. See how this is first. Oh wow. Man, I like that surprise. This is gonna go good with this sandwich. So as I mentioned, we're gonna use this sauce as an au jus. So we're gonna dip this right in here. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. I'm gonna finish my sandwich and my asparagus. I appreciate you tuning in. So, thanks. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, leave me a comment, and again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.